You can see in the video that there are two parts of wood. You can see the way it is joined and made to look exactly like the original. It is amazing. Watch the video in full detail, and you will know that these two pieces of wood have been made into one piece. The color work and painting on it all together make this piece of wooden furniture, which was in two pieces, into one piece. If you liked the detail video, please like, share, and comment on the video. And if you have not visited the page, please follow the page. Thank you.